Hey guys, Jason here from Systematics, here with Minjun.
What's up?
So, what'd you get in the mail today?
In the mail today, huge shout out to Socal Garage Works for this carbon fiber and suede leather steering wheel. Fully functional. Not yet.
So you just took off your stock wheel?
I stuck on my stock wheel. Just gotta get these buttons off. Transfer it onto the new wheel.
Okay. How hard was it to take it out?
No, it was a bitch. Oh my god, should have recorded it.
They're unscrewing a lot of things. Got the button module thing, all the buttons out.
I think we gotta disconnect this. Yep. Easy.
Flash. There you go.
Thank you. Alright. It's so hard to work because it smells like fucking piss. Do you smell it?
Yeah. Yeah, so there's piss underneath this car. Someone pissed on the street. We can't move the car now because the battery's disconnected.
Oh my god, I don't want to rip anything. How the fuck do I take this out? Do I even need to take it out? Nope, I'm so smart. Alright.
Alright, now we've got to attach the buttons to this.
Fuck did I do?
Do you remember how to do it?
Yes, like this. Just like this. Lit. Yo. Imagine it doesn't fit.
Yeah, it smells so bad.
Yes. Oh my god, I wish you guys could be here to smell it. Like, it's...
Alright, you gotta screw everything in.
Yep. No, it has to be flush. Never mind, it's flush. Yo, I don't even... Can I get my phone? Is this one?
Automatic.
Get the shit out of here. It can't be a manual soon. Oh, did I reveal a secret?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Should spot a manual in the first place.
Yeah, I should have. I was too impatient. I wanted a car so bad. Don't rush on buying cars. Seriously. Don't rush. Wait for the perfect car at the perfect moment. This goes in here.
Those paddle shifters are gonna become useless later.
Yeah, it's good. Just for show. Just for show. Stop.
Stick shift with a paddle shifter.
Yep, that'd be funny. Who's gonna have a stick shift with a paddle shifter? Yeah. Ooh. What? Why isn't that going in?
I can't fucking stand here. It smells so bad.
It smells so bad, right? It's fucking horrible. Wait, where does this go?
Sounds like a Honda.
Is it mom?
Is it a Honda? Oh
What was it?
Looks like a Civic.
Wait, where does this shit go?
Maybe it connects to that part.
I think it connects to somewhere here. Nah, this shit was inside somewhere.
Look for it.
Oh, this is connected to the airbag. I remember.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that way. What is this?
What?
Boy.
What? The purple?
No, yeah, there's a screw. You see that screw in here? There's supposed to be a screw in here too. Like a whole assembly. Like this. Boy, did I lose it.
Where's all your screws?
It's in here.
Yeah, just screw everything in.
No, but I need that. It was right here. I found it.
What does it look like?
Looks like this.
Alright.
Guys, don't lose this.
Do it again. Alright.
Like this.
Perfect.
What the fuck? Okay. No, it's like this.
Look at that. Real carbon fiber.
Yes, real good.
And that red line.
Fuck?
Oh,
That smells so bad. I gotta get done with this ASAP.
it's like,
There we go. Yes.
hey, how does piss smell this bad?
Oh my god, every time the wind blows? Holy Jesus.
I need to step back like 20 feet.
Not sure, I need light. There we go.
I hear racing.
Yep. Alright guys, you gotta put the screws back. Tour to go on.
Oh crap.
I need my phone. That's so terrible. Like, that's just something else. Oh fuck! Where is that? Guys, don't ever work on your car at night.
Another word of advice from the wise Minjun.
Yeah, don't work on your car at night. I could have waited until morning for this, but I was too impatient. Seriously, don't work on your car at night.
Oh, what time is it?
It's fucking 1 in the morning.
Oh my god.
1:12.
And you still have to do dishes upstairs.
Oh fuck! Do I really?
Yeah. It's not that much. James did half of it, so you only have half left. And I cleaned up everything, so all I have to do is just wash it with soap and water.
And there's one shit in here.
Yeah, guys, there's a lot of screws, but it should be easy finding all the holes for it.
There are a hell of a lot of screws.
Yeah.
To be honest, I think I have some screws like left over.
God, move your phone. You can't see anything.
No, there's actually a lot of screws left over. TBH. God, I should never work in an auto shop. Yeah, they probably miss bolts all the time. They probably don't even tell us. Oh, this feels so nice.
Mm.
Alright.
Alright, now we're putting the thing on.
Wait, we should connect the battery to see if all the buttons work. That would be the smart thing to do. Yeah. Let's do this. That would be the smart thing to do.
You
If
sure?
we're putting everything back together.
I feel like we should have just done everything.
Alright, this is a getaway. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home.
And you gotta put on music. Works? It doesn't work.
System active.
Boy! Oh, is it because this is not connected?
Maybe. You didn't connect it? Where did
Oh,
that go?
there we go.
Oh, we did it. It was that white little thing. Right
That white little thing.
Alright.
2017 Stanley Cup Final.
Yo, don't put any weird things in here. It's a YouTube video.
Mute.
Oh shoot.
Please
It's already
say a command
copyrighted.
after
Alright. Oh, cruise works.
It's not the music, man. It's copyrighted.
Oh, copyright, fuck. Alright, seems good.
Alright, turn off your car.
Gotta disconnect the battery. So excited.
Careful. Don't burn yourself.
Ah! No, I'm just kidding.
Damn, systematic.
Systematics. Alright. Can you get my flashlight? No, deadass, I have 2 screws, like, I don't know where they belong.
Maybe when you put the airbag on, there were no screws to take it off?
No.
Just came off like a clip?
The hard part is gonna be talking this. It's not the right way. There's no, like, right or wrong way, right?
Dude, I don't know, man.
I'm not a mechanic, whatever, man. Does this shit have to be on tight?
Yeah, what the fuck? You know, if that shit falls off, you're dead.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a fucking hollow ass, fucking loose ass steering wheel.
Do you not have a gun?
No, I'm too poor for that. I accept donations. We accept donations.
Just come to our meeting and just give us cash.
Yep. Every Monday, Fort Totten. If you're in the area, Fort Totten. Y'all know where that is if you live in the area. That should be good. Is this my airbag?
Yeah, if this falls off while you're driving, oh man.
Yo.
Alright, let's just pray it doesn't happen.
Yep.
We should be using like a wrench or a gun, but you know, Minjun, he's YOLO.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Fuck does this shit go?
Where does that blue thing go, guys? I'm gonna figure it out one day.
Nah, this goes somewhere I know. This is important. Fucking looks important. Was it here? Oh yeah, it was here. Alright.
You guys have the battery for the horn to work?
Yeah, I know. I need my hexagon shit.
Damn, it looks nice.
Oh. God damn.
What is this?
It's a dildo if you're breaking it off.
Okay, you gotta screw the sides back on.
Am I even fucking tightening it? But I need to tighten it. This is not important for my safety. Is this what the can I get my flashlight? This is too big. There we go. Damn, I'm screwing nothing.
Don't you hate it when you're watching videos and the guy filming is like,
Is that me right now?
no.
You're gonna edit that out, right?
What?
The breathing noises?
No. No, there are no breathing noises, I'm just saying.
Oh.
That happens in a lot of videos. Like getting it done.
Oh shoot, I've been turning it the wrong way.
Oh, good job.
This whole time.
Yeah, And if you're here to feel this, guys, that's so nice.
Alright. Look at that gloss. Can you keep this seat on camera?
Yeah.
Real carbon. And got a sticker. Socal Garage Works. Comment down below where you think it will look nice.
Wait, I can't read it. This. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Yeah, comment down below where you guys think it will look nice.
Put it
on
right
the
here.
car.
You have all the stickers right here.
Yeah, those are my unofficial sponsors. Oh, we gotta connect the battery again.
Yeah. You trying to start the car?
No, I think I should just take this controller out while I'm at it.
What controller?
This Demon Eye bullshit. Okay, it might work. Whatever, man. You gonna edit this today and upload it?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, moment of truth.
Oh.
Hey!
How happy are you right now?
I'm so happy. Yo, this feels so good. Yo, this is stock. This. Like, oh my god, you guys have to feel this in real life. Like, the stitching is like such high quality. Like, this is some garbage Korean Hyundai bullshit, but this is like quality right here. Quality. Ooh! And it turns so much more smoothly. Maybe because I didn't tighten it as much. But good for drifting, right?
Dude, if that shit falls off, oh man.
No, it's not gonna. Definitely not.
See you in hell. But go try driving it, but
Alright. Y'all sit in?
I'm scared. Yeah, I think I have to though. Falling.
Yep.
See how it is.
Safety first. Alright.
No, it turns well. How does it feel?
Like, it's so much more nimble and more responsive, I guess. I don't know. See that spool?
What's cool?
Oh my fucking. Yo, why is my airbag sign on?
Oh fuck.
Did I not do something?
These two pins we forgot to install them, so I'm gonna try to put these back on to see if the airbag light will be gone.
Hopefully. Oh my god, it smells like piss again. I made a mistake parking here.
Oh fuck, I'm filming vertically. We found these two yellow pins in the cup holder, and we think maybe we have to plug these in, so hopefully that'll fix the airbag light.
Hopefully. If not, then I just have to fucking live with it.
So, you see that orange part? Yeah, we gotta plug that in there. You gotta put the other one in there, and the black one. Alright, let's see if that works.
I don't want to screw it in yet. I just want to keep it here.
Did you tighten the side?
No, I just in case. See if something else.
Start it, and he's scared. The airbag's gonna deploy. Is there an airbag light on? Wait.
It's still. Oh, it's gone. No.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh.
Yo.
Okay, that was a problem, guys.
Yes.
So if that happens to you,
You
now
know what to do.
Thumbs up
Yes.
this video if it helped.
He fucking
And,
did it. And Andy came out just in time. We gotta check out his reaction. No, you gotta screw these back in though.
You like
Fucking
it?
finished it. You like it? Hell yeah. Bro, it feels. Oh my god, you have to drive it. 진짜. Like 천지차야.
Chill.
진짜.
Then you're gonna make me get one.
아니야 진짜 형. Like, I don't know if it's cause I like didn't tighten the 22mm tightly. 근데 like so like 헐렁한데 느낌 좋아.
It's a fucking race car, so that's why people get it.
Like, you have to drive it.
Alright, so we're gonna go on a test drive.
Fucking sitting in the back of my own fucking car.
System active.
Alright.
Like, you gotta roll the window down and bring it
Give
back
me your
up.
ice cream.
Yeah, then bring it back up.
What?
Cause the door, like when you have to have the battery off, it doesn't like.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're reviewing this masterpiece right here. God damn. Safety first.
Wearing slippers.
I'm wearing slippers, as always. They call me Sensei.
Fucking bug in here. Get that shit out.
Oh. Oh.
It feels finesse, right?
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. It feels
Is that an
good.
orgasm?
It feels good. Hold on, let me pull the chair back a little bit.
Yo, should we turn off the lights?
Hold on. Oh, it's, yeah, that grip. Yes.
Oh, I'm scared running in my own car.
This is nice. This is nice. Minjun, that's how you do it.
Alright.
You see that smoke in the back?
Oh, I smelled it.
Oh, you see that smoke?
God damn.
That's how you do it. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god. I have to beg my wife for this. Huh?
So Minjun, very good. Would you recommend this to a friend?
Oh, of course.
Who produced this?
Socal Garage Works. Huge
Socal
shout out to
Garage.
Socal Garage Works.
Damn, they deserve a fucking applause.
Yep.